Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got another thing that I found in Canada. This is Samlip Myon Katsuo flavor. And I'm kind of bummed because I thought it was something else, but I don't know. I'm not sure if it is or it isn't. It gets tricky. But we shall see. So basically, we have a pouch of udon. We'll drop it in the pot. We have a garnish that I'm going to put on at the end, and we've got a liquid, which has kind of a funky nose hit to it, if you ask me, and we got 2 minutes. So that's cool. Yeah, so Saturday was a busy day. We got up, got going, and went down to Seattle. Wanted to go see some line dancing, dragon dancing. Wanted the kids to check it out, thought they'd dig it for Lunar New Year. And the calendar I looked at said, oh, it's from 11 to 11:40, the line dancing. Oh, I see. It's on the 9th, not on the 2nd. So that sucked. And what's a bummer, too, is with the weather we're having right now, there's a good chance it won't be on the 9th. So, oh well. But, we ended up going to, it's called Ocean Star now, used to be called Sunya. And got dim sum. My daughter Miri, she tried a bunch of stuff. Miles, not so much. He actually was able to handle having some other stuff on his plate other than stuff that we brought with us, which is a big thing for a really picky little kid eater. So back in the day, which was really not that long ago, he wouldn't have tolerated having like dim sum and other stuff on the plate. So that's cool. I'm happy about that. It's not as good as when it was Sunya. Funny story about that was I took it upon myself at one point. I thought, you know, this place needs a Facebook page. People need to know about this place, Sunya. And so I started a Facebook page for the place. And it basically became the Sunya Facebook page. Now, of course, now it's the original owners don't have the place anymore, or somebody else bought it from them and they're just partner. I have no idea, but basically it's Ocean Star now, and Ocean Star is alright, but it's a far cry from the way it used to be, you know. I guess what I'm trying to say is I like dim sum, and you can call it whatever you want, I'll probably eat it. So. Now I'm gonna put this. This looks like it's got tempura, so that's why I thought I'd wait. And so there it sits atop. But anyways, I started this fan page for it, and at one point, like I guess some of the workers from there, one of them posted something about this place is bad and you shouldn't go to Ocean Star and they treat us like crap, and I think that was the deal, but it was just like, whoa, unexpected. So let's give this broth a try. Again, this is a South Korean variety. A popular one. Not bad, not as sweet as many of the Katsuo tend to be. It's got a nice fish kind of taste to it. It also has a kind of a bit of a vinegary hit to it. I'm okay with that. Let's try a little bit of this garnish here. As you can see, there's a lot of it, and it hydrates pretty quick. Tempura. Tempura and some vegetables going on. Where'd that fork go? And just for the sake of argument, I will try the udon, although I will say right now, I really haven't seen much, if any, difference between the udons that come in that pouch style. This one, though, I will admit, looks to be a little flatter. So. Not bad. So, what do you do with something like this? Well, of course, you add a little bit of fish cake. And a little spring onion. And I think that's about as far as I'm gonna go. I could get a little more wacky, but I don't think that's necessary. Let's see if you can see what I see. There we go. And we rotate. And that's about it. So, cool. Well, this has been Samlip Myon Katsuo Udon from South Korea, found at H Mart up in Canada at Aberdeen Center in Richmond, BC. Thanks. Enjoy. Bye.